Okay, we are in Silver Dollar City. There's Steam Train Sarah. We're in Silver Dollar City in Branson, Missouri. We're gonna take a look at whatever trains they got here today. I'm just gonna do a little introductory video now because I know they have a lot of stuff from the steam trains they have are from Europe, I believe. Yeah, Germany and stuff. So we're over here in the land that's like frontier land. Yeah, Frontierland met, you know, Knott's Berry Farms is what this whole place is like. So we're just going to ride the trains and I'll take video of it, but not narrate it, and I'll just add in details later because I don't recognize any of them. I do know they have like a Davenport somewhere. Okay, so we're going to go do that. That's the train station right there. I like the bench with the drive wheels. All right, so we'll get back to you later. All right, thanks.
Good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Richard on the back of the train, and I'd like to be the first to welcome you all to the Frisco Silver Dollar Line. Up there on the platform, performing a little community service is Ralphie Bolden. Everybody say bye, Ralphie. Yeah, looking like we'll be seeing him the next couple of weeks, hopefully 3 days. But I'm going to try to get you all back in the next 30 minutes. So sit back and relax and enjoy the old train rides. So, for those of you traveling with youngins over there on the left-hand side, that's $50 offer. We got an old-time carousel over there for the kids. And for you adults, we got you a nice wooden park bench. So go on over there and let the kids ride the pony and sit out and take your break. For those gentlemen on board coming up on the left used to be the world-famous Silver Dollar Saloon. It was home to the longest, prettiest legs in all the old cars. And that was just the bar stool. Folks, we had temporarily moved the old sun show over to the Boatworks Theater next to the pottery shop at the railroad crossing. Come on over there and see yourself a good saloon show. And just past the old saloon is a fire in the hole. Everybody say fire in the hole! Yeah, last night those pesky ball numbers come to town and set the town on fire. Now the old fire chief needs all the volunteers they can get to help put out that rage in that blaze. And let's say it again, fire in the hole. Well, folks, a couple years ago, old farmer Wilson settled down, built himself a pretty big barn. Built himself an even bigger barn swing. In fact, they gonna take you 65 feet here back down there and 50 miles an hour. You're not gonna see any chickens in that barn. Starting to head down through Seafield, and I can tell by the look on y'all's faces you're just a little bit worried about the brakes on this old train. Well, worry no more. That's right, we have bought the best brakes money can buy. Sold her on back order, should be here in the next couple of weeks around the time we get back. But since then, got everybody's attention. For the Daredevils, we are entering the Valley of the Coasters. On the left, that's that can of coaster we call Powder Keg. Now, Powder Keg is lasting from 0 front, 2.5 heartbeats flat. You're going to see the sky and the ground in the same breath on that old coaster. Over on the right is Outlaw Run. Outlaw Run is dedicated to all those fine law enforcement men and women across this country holding that thin blue line. If you would, please say a quick prayer for them. And speaking of good guys, I just got word back from the depot that mean notorious train robbery, Ralphie Bolden. Yeah, Ralphie's brother, he busted out of jail. Left Ralphie behind. He's been sitting heading our way, so I need y'all to do me a favor. Keep your eyes peeled, your fingers crossed, and a word of advice. If you got any gold silver in your mouth, well, I believe I would just keep my mouth shut. to the bottom of the hauler on the left-hand side. Pull your in down there, man, and kicking and screaming in that old wreck. We dusted your mom, grandma, clean shirt, and send it back to the old stump truck wreck truck. Yeah, and I'll give you 3 guesses who's driving your old train today. Hey, Bob, you're up there. Give me 3 toots on that whistle. Bob, I said 3 toots. Well, that just goes to show you there's 3 types of people in this world. Those who count, those who can. Come up to there, need to remind you to keep your hands and feet inside the old train as we are in here in the state country. Last week we had a 97 roundabout helicopter monster flew down a little bit more lady on Star 3. We ain't seen either head of her or that snake's head. Her husband is down the old silver dollar saloon, iron rounds for everybody singing happy days are here again. Hey, Bob, what are you doing? We can't be stopping out here. This is one of our scheduled stops. Oh, speaking of snakes, this Alfie bowling flagging us down. Everybody, let's see if we can scare him away from our old train. Yeah, shake your fist and even call him ugly. Come on now. That wouldn't scare a squirrel out of the road. Shake your fist at him and call him ugly.
Ugly? Oh yeah? Well, how about the rest of y'all? I said ugly. Oh yeah? Yeah. I'm gonna give y'all, no, you wait. I'm gonna give you all one more chance, because I think you're better than that. I said ugly. Oh yeah? Oh yeah. There you are. Well, I might be ugly, but y'all rode 2 miles to see me, and here I am. Whoa! Get up here. I've been waiting on you. What? I didn't hear you. What'd you say?
What is the idea of you stopping me out here in snake country?
Well, you better be glad I stopped you.
Glad?
Yeah, I stopped you to warn you.
Warn me? Warn me about what?
Yankees.
Yankees.
Yep, right around that bend up there. Woo! 9 of the biggest, old, meanest, old, ugliest Yankees you ain't never gonna see. They've all got these war clubs and swinging and swatting and everything, but they ain't hitting much.
Well, how come they ain't hitting much?
I think they're New York Yankees.
Well, and everybody knows there ain't been Yankees in these parts in 50 years.
50 years. Wait. They're back.
They're back.
Yeah, they're back, and they're mean.
Well, how do you know they're so mean?
Because last night I went sneaking up on their camp and I heard them talking.
What'd they say?
They said, "Bobby! Yeehaw! Hey.
Hey.
That's what they said, word for word.
Well, Bowling, I don't believe anybody on my train speaks Yankee, and my Yankee's real rusty, so. You know.
I got you covered, yeah.
Tell me what it means.
Well, when they go, whoopee, that means they're going to swoop down on your train. And when they go, yeehaw, well, that means they're going to burn it right down to the rails. And if they say, hey, well, that means they're going to steal all the women.
He just said, take them.
Well, she's kind of excited about it, too. I think, woohoo.
Bowling, I'm not buying this Yankee story.
Well, you ain't got to buy nothing. It's free.
Free, huh?
Yep.
No, I still don't want it. But I'll tell you what, for the safety of my passengers, I'll go up there and check it out.
Now, that is a good idea right there.
Yeah, I got a good idea for you. Back it up. Is that train right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my train. Stay away from my train. That train. If I come back here and I catch you anywhere near it, I'm going to have you a big surprise.
Oh, I do like surprises. What do you got?
Well, how about another belly button?
No, I don't want another belly button.
Oh, yeah? Why not?
Well, I already got one, and, you know...
What would 2 give you?
If I had 2, that'd be like a naval reserve. Huh. Yeah, you just go down there and you whoop the tar out of them Yankees. You just show them what for. You tell them who's boss. That's what you're going to do with your old little 6-shooter. Ha! Woo! I thought he'd never leave. All right, folks, listen up. Y'all are in a heap of trouble now because your conductor's gone looking for some Yankees. Left all y'all here with me, and my name is Alfie J. Bolin. That J stands for genius. And what we got here this afternoon is a stick-up. It's a stick. No, I'm just kidding. What we got here is a train robbery. I need all y'all to get your hands in the air and act real scared. Come on, get them up. Oh. That ain't y'all never been scared before? This is how you act scared. we'll give y'all another chance. Get your hands in the air and act real scared. Go. Yeah, that's a lot better. That's it. Woo! Listen, that old sheriff up in the town got my brother Ralphie locked up in the jailhouse. And I need some bail money, and that's where all y'all come in, because I'm going to rob this train. I'm going to start back here in car 4, work my way up. I want your gold, your silver, your copper, and your dollars. So get that already. I'm coming.
Got none.
Starting with you guys back here. You got some gold and silver? Nothing. Well, me too. That's why I'm doing it. How about y'all up here? Come on. Somebody's got to have some gold or silver. Oh, look at that. I'm in the money now. How about y'all? You got some gold or silver? Copper? Dollars? Nothing? Y'all got to have some gold or silver, right? Saltwater taffy, maybe? I don't know. Cinnamon bread? Y'all like that cinnamon bread? Woohoo! How about you? Oh, y'all got to have some gold and silver up here, right? Gold, silver. Lady, I can tell you're loaded. I mean, I can tell. And I think you probably got a lot of money, too. That's what... Whoa, hey!
What are you doing down here next to the train?
I was talking to my girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Does she know that?
Yeah, just don't pay any attention to that big old boy next to her.
Yeah. Hey,
What?
I got something we need to talk about.
Well, like what?
Lead?
Whoa, I don't want no lead.
Why not?
Well, I run better unleaded.
Oh. Alfie, I got a bone to pick with you.
Well, what's the matter?
I went all the way down Sweet Mary's Tunnel and I didn't see no Yankees.
No Yankees, huh?
No, then I come back here and you robbed my train.
Yeah. I mean, I'm real sorry about that.
Yeah, don't tell me you're sorry. Tell them you're sorry.
Say what?
Tell them you're sorry. All right?
You're sure?
You were just robbing their train. Tell them you're sorry.
Okay. You're sorry. That's what you said.
That's not what I meant.
You said you were sure.
Alfie, buddy, you were this close to an idiot. It's like that?
Yeah, you gotta keep 6 feet away from all the idiots.
I'm gonna make some distance for you. I'm gonna go right down here and I'm gonna blast me bowling.
Well, but I'm a bowler.
Yeah, you probably need to do a little better. Your brother's still in jail.
Oh,
Is it locked?
the door's locked.
Yeah. Hey, try and do the match. There might be a key.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Ah, there it is.
Woo! We ain't got no mat.
You ain't got no key neither.
Well, that's smart.
Yeah, you need all the smarts you can get.
Well, now being smart ain't all it's cracked up to be. I know that. Woo!
Yeah, I'll be bowling, everybody. Give him a hand. He's going to be out here all day long.
All day and all night. See y'all.
If you're having a good time, give me a If you're having a great time, you got a one-day pass. You can take that one-day pass with a few dollars more. Turn it into a season pass. Come out here and ride this old steam train with us all year long. It'll get you into all the rides, attractions, festivals, and shows. And coming in August, Diamond Reel is coming to town. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of our active duty service members, veterans, and their families. Without y'all, we wouldn't have all the freedoms that we got to come out here and ride this old steam train, get run by that goofball. So on behalf of the entire crew here at the Silver Dollar Line and Silver Dollar City, thank you. God bless you. Coming up on the left again is Outlaw Run. It'll drop you 168 feet at an 81 degree angle, 68 miles an hour. It's the only wooden coaster that will take you upside down on one of even 3 times. Outlaw Run, where the good guys always win. Well, folks, we're going to be going through Sweet Mary's Tunnel, so we keep your hands and feet inside the old train. Well, let's have us an old-fashioned straightening contest. As I call off your starting umbrella, which is straight as loud as you want to. Here we go. Car 1, green. Well, I believe that's too wave and say howdy. Car 3, wave and say howdy. Give me the all-car for it. On behalf of these Frisco still on the line. So I thank y'all for coming out tonight. If you would, look around, grab all your loose articles and your trash and your relatives. Yes, please take those relatives with you, because if you don't want them, well, we don't want them either. Folks, as we come into the old depot, please stay seated until I give you the all cleared exit train. This old train wants to bucket rock as we come into a stop, so please stay seated. Please stay seated. Stay seated for me. Please stay seated. Stay seated.